In January 2025, UCLA Health published a summary of a large meta-analysis. We're talking about data from over 96,000 adults across multiple studies, and the findings were simple but powerful. Just 1,000 extra steps per day was associated with a 10% lower risk of experiencing depressive symptoms. And people who consistently walked 7,500 steps or more showed up to a 42% lower risk of depressive symptoms. This is not a small study, it's not a quick headline, it's a major peer-reviewed analysis. And UCLA Health did an excellent job translating it for the public. If you want to see the source for yourself, it's titled, "Increased Walking Can Lessen Depression, UCLA Health, January 29, 2025. So what does this mean for you? It means that every walk you take matters. Not because walking magically cures depression, it doesn't. But because depression often pulls your system into stillness, low energy, low motivation, low drive, heaviness, emotional fog, feeling stuck, feeling disconnected, and walking gently interrupts that pattern. Even a few minutes of movement can shift your breathing, your circulation, your visual field, your focus, your emotional load, your internal chemistry, and your sense of possibility. It doesn't fix everything, but it changes something. And something is a beginning. Depression isn't only a mind experience, it's also somatic, meaning your body feels it before your thoughts explain it. Somatic simply means your body reacts first, your body shuts down, your body grows heavy, your body loses its spark. Your body says, "I can't." Walking gives your body a gentle way to say, "Maybe I can move, just a little." And when your body softens, your thoughts often follow. And let's be clear, walking is not a replacement for real mental health support. It's not the whole journey, it's not meant to carry everything, but it is a path, a doorway, a starting point. A walk might not solve the deeper questions of your life, but it can help you feel stable enough to face them. And that matters. If today feels heavy and getting out of bed feels like a mountain, don't aim for 7,500 steps. Aim for 30 seconds. Aim for standing outside. Aim for one slow walk to the end of your street. According to the research, even those tiny moments count. Walking won't fix everything, but it can help you feel strong enough to keep going. And sometimes, that is where healing truly begins. Thank you very much for your attention. Be well.